everybody. This is my first ever video, and this is what I'm trading. A 6-7, a Horigini Boom, Triplitos, Chalaritos, a keyboard, Rainbows, Chalaritos, and Bruno Mars. Yeah, also this is my first ever video, and wait, what I get? Oh! That was literally aura. That was aura, bro. Look at this thing. That was so much aura. That was low-key so much aura. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't even expect to get this. Oh my god, bro. I was expecting like a lucky block or 2x luck, but I got this, bro. Oh my god. I just gained so much aura from this. But by the way, I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers, so if you can help me hit 50 subscribers, I'll be very grateful because I'm trying to do a live stream. Yeah. Anyways, this is my first video, and I'm trading 6-7, Horigini Boom, and if you want these other things, just let me know. Bye-bye.